Okay everyone, so I have another Trifold Folio. It's a greenhouse, for cottage greenhouse. Cute little thing. I did this upside down. This is supposed to be on this side. Just remember it's directional printing, and I was just in a rush. Didn't bother to change it because I did it late last night, so it would be printed for this morning. So it should be, the fence should be this way, but that's fine. It looks cute. And I also made this little bunting. All I do is glue and then just stick it to some string. I don't know where we'll put it, but I think they're cute. Maybe on there. And yeah, so right now we'll score. And then you can get this on my website, or you can get it on Etsy. But if you buy on my website, there's always a bonus to getting on my website. You'll get a bonus automatically sent to you to match this kit. But you won't get that on Etsy. Okay, so this is gonna be a silent video. I'm just gonna pop in if I have to say anything to do with it, but these are pretty basic. We've done a lot of them. So let's get to it. You could even do a bunting like this and tie it. Like make a little thing on the back. Actually, you know what? You could make a thing here. Yeah. I don't even know what I'm going to do with that yet, but I thought it was cute to make. Okay, so we'll just go with our trusty old. Did I buy anything new? Yes, I did, but it's not for summer. It's more winterish. So we'll just use this. My favorite, even though it makes a mess. Now you can either put this on now or after the pockets. I do it either way. I mean, before this, I mean. You can put it on there, or you can put it on top of this because the pockets are going to cover it anyway, but I find this is the best way. But if you forget it, you can always do it the other way. These are just so easy and simple. Okay, so that's good. And we'll put this one on here. I sometimes just leave this blank and I put it on. I glue this into the journal, and then I just flip these open with flip downs and stuff. So, okay. So now you'll just decide. The hardest is deciding where you're going to put your pockets and the order. Everything else is pretty basic. and sticking over here, nice and smooth. Nothing's on this edge. It's kind of time to decorate them. So you could wrap this around like that. And, or you could cut the edges off and just put it on the edge like that. You could even glue these to this like that. But I think I'm gonna wait and see. I wonder if it would make a good tie. Like, you know? Let's just wait for that one. So right now we'll just decorate up a bit. We have lots of little goodies, lots of little goodies. We have circles. Let's see where we want to put these circles. Prepare this while this is drying. This is just a little note cards. You can write little, say you want something in your garden that you want to pick up. Just jot it down, or how your flowers are going, or a little scheme of how you're gonna grow your garden. This would be cute with this cutout. I think I might try cutting that out with my X-Acto knife. This too. So that's just a little booklet. This is a tag that's doubled like this, so you can just fold it. And you can glue it together, or you can just use this for writing space as well. Put a little note on it for pick up in the garden, whatever. So there's not a lot of tags in this one because there's a lot of things like cards. This is the invoice for their greenhouse, the little greenhouse. You can come and buy things. So this has got what they've purchased at the greenhouse. Okay, and this is the library cards that you can just put on here for the garden, like garden books that were checked out. And then these are just schedules for yourself and the garden. Then we got some tabs. You can use them on here. You can use them on anything. Just a little extra. But we'll do these little tags. Usually I load with tags, but this time I only did a few tags. So let's do these. Okay, so I have pink, which I'm not really liking with this. This color, this would be nice. I'm not really liking the pink with this, so that's a no. I'm not really liking this black either, but I kind of do. But if it was a toss-up between this and lace, I'm gonna go with lace. I also have this corded stuff. I'm thinking that green might look nice. This might look better. Let's try it. It doesn't really pop though. I want to pop it. It's summer. Let's do a greenie. This hole might be just a tad too small for this. Nope. There we go. This is just a cord that I have around from something extra. Like a different kind of craft, not paper craft. So let's see if it's gonna work. Oh, it's kind of cute. Olive would look good. That's okay. It'll make it stand out anyway. But I think those are the only ones we're going to use, and we'll go back to this. Usually I'm zipping through this like crazy. And let's try a little. Let's do it. A little bow on there, maybe, if it'll fit. Might overpower it. Work for me, but that will. Couple more. Don't need that much string. And I think that's it. Make the hole bigger because I used a tinier hole, so I'm gonna go make it bigger. Put this in just for different stuff. Not that it needs it, but. And I could make this a tag as well. Let's make this a tag. You could actually, you know what you could have done with this one? Is used one of the tabs, which I should have done. But this is cute at the top, so. But that's cute. Yes, cute. I think I will. I think, just a minute here. So I cut it out. If you see any whites, you can leave it, or you can put some ink on it. I'm leaving it because I think it's cute. But what I also thought of, this is for if you don't have, I didn't do the heart, which I was gonna do. If you don't have string, like, cause I thought afterwards, oh, I should have just glued some string on there like that. That would be really cute. But I just cut it. I don't know if I'm gonna tempt that heart right now. Okay, so I didn't subject you to me cutting the heart out, but I did it. So you could put, you know what I was just thinking too, but I got ahead of myself with putting this dongle on. You could have put that there, and then the dongle would sit there because it looks cute. It's fashioned in place there. So I might just glue it so it stays there. And then you've got this that you can just wrap around. That's what I think I'm gonna do. You can do whatever you want, but I think that that's cute. So that's what I think I'll do for there. So it doesn't move around, and because this is delicate, that little piece, eh? I think I'll use this glue and just put a dab here. A dab. Put that. Because it highlights, and then it shows the shovel in the little box. It's cute. So you could go like that there. See? Keep that stationed there. Oops. It's supposed to be there. So keep that there until it dries. Be better under the dongle, but hey. That's the joy of crafting. Okay, so let's let that dry. Let's fill up the inside. Yeah, see, I think that'll work like that. It's cute. Let's put in some goodies. I like this greenhouse. Okay, so we've got our checkout. So these are invoices for what people spent at your greenhouse. They're made for the bigger pockets at the back. I think there's a couple of these. Yeah, guest check. You don't have to use them all. I'm just doing it for the video. But I would use them all anyway because they're all so cute. And then we've got library books, and you can write the title in here, like a garden book that you've taken out, and your favorite author who has the favorite garden book. So there's 4 of these guest checks, and you can put whatever color in. I think I'm gonna put in a yellow one here instead of 2 blue. Yeah. So you've got the library cards. They can go in this pocket or back at the back as well. So there's the library card. Check that out. Little cottage. I want to hide that one, so let's put the little cottage. Yeah, we can put that there. Gotta put some lace here or a piece of string. This, you know what would be cute here? Probably this. It's too, I made it too large. And then I could put my greenhouse there. But you know what? I could cut the string off and just glue it there and make a pocket, use it as a pocket. Might be too big, might be too long. I could cut one off and just make it 3 and make it a pocket. Yeah, that's what I could do. And that would be a pocket there. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do. But which 3? I think these 3 I'll keep. Okay, so we'll put it there and put it there. Use this glue. Yeah, it'll make a cute little pocket. Let it dry and then we'll put this greenhouse in there. Hopefully it's gonna fit. Oh yes, it's cute. Keep that there, let it dry completely. It doesn't interfere with closing at all. Okay, good. I think that's cute. Here. Jars. Get a bowl. These are trackers, so I usually just paper clip these in, but you can put it there. My garden daily plan. Actually, let's take that out and go with this kind of style today. Habit tracker. Guest check, library. Got this too. I didn't glue the top of that just in case you want to stick something in there. Like one of these. I glued the bottom. I can put a circle in. Little goodies. Put that like that. We could have hung it off that. You put it anywhere. For now, we'll just stick it there. Till you decide. Every garden deserves a butterfly and some sunshine. Got these seed planting tracker, you know. It depends which way you want to go. Watering days, they're so cute. And then for the back, we've got an envelope. Right there. That's cute. You could put little boots on your greenhouse. You could store your little seed planting and all your weekly goals for your garden. You could put those in there behind. Oh, they might not fit, but hang on. They just might. That blue one doesn't fit, but this one does. Let's see how much space we need for that in here. But remember, we're gonna put an envelope on the back so this stuff can store in that envelope, all your garden goodies. So what we have now is this. We also have this space. So this is where I usually take a paper clip and I clip things like this that are left over until I find a home for them in this, because or I take all the tasks and I usually go like this and then I put them just whatever. Or you can glue some lace on here and just slide them in that way. I'm going to put the paper clip because I don't know if I'm going to put some in the envelope in the back, but it's just ideas I'm showing you. I think it's adorable. And then we'll put the envelope on here. Sometimes I don't like covering up what's on here, so maybe we'll do it. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll just make a hidden envelope so it looks like the same. Maybe I'll go back and do that instead of the envelope I have already. I might do that. And here's the envelope. I went and did a different envelope. That's what I did too on my lunch. So you glue here, and we're gonna put it right here, just so you kind of get this feel that it's all matchy, like it's all not taken apart. See? So you just put it on. Okay. You can print this with the back sheet. I don't, because I like it white. But if I was gonna do it with the back sheet, yeah. I might do that fence pattern on here. Okay. I think I might leave the top open to tuck stuff up there this time. Usually I don't, but I think I will this time. I think that much will be fine. Put some washi on this. Actually, I'm gonna put my, where was I gonna do that? Where did I have this? I think it was this one. For my, was it this one? I think it was this right here. Okay, so let's put this on and put it here. Is this glue? Use whatever glue you like. I'm just, I got this on sale, so I thought I'd grab a bottle. So I'm just gonna use it up. Either way, either glue works anyway. But I want it down here so it looks like a, I went and put it in the wrong place. It's not gonna be for anything, it's just gonna be for like, the outside, so you'll see a little bit on the bottom like that. That's all I wanted it for. Still got those left. You could put in all your little till you figure out what you're going to do with them. Don't really want to cover that up. So let's see if I maybe just put it over to the side, or this side. No, I don't want to cover up the heart on the fence. Let's see, put it there. I think that'll work. Hopefully that holds it. Yeah, I think it's fine. So, and then you can always put, I gotta wait for it to dry though. Let's let that dry. Leftovers, put them in the, or use them for another journal, whatever you want.